This is Chris Alexander, President and founder of ADV Integrity. It is Thursday, December 8th, 2022. We're super excited about today because it's our open house. As of last night, we had 305 people signed up, which is really encouraging for us. This is a big day for the life of our company for a couple reasons. One is we have a new home, a place where we really can serve our clients. The other thing is it's kind of a dream come true. A group of us got together and started really dreaming about what ADV could be. We're super excited, looking forward to having everybody out and looking forward to the future and see what's going to happen here at ADV. Thanks.
Today was awesome. I think the turnout overall was, perfect in terms of the flow of the clients through the office. We got to see technology companies, pipeline operators, friends, family, people that are very important to us. At the end of the day, I hope they felt like this building is really built for them to use. This is their tool. This is what we are trying to promote. It's not just our building, it's the pipeline industry and technology companies' building. This new office space gives us an opportunity to really build something special for the pipeline industry. This is a meeting place that we're going to connect, grow, develop, and actually challenge the boundaries of what we're typically doing in the pipeline world and in just overall technology development. I look forward to the challenges, but also bringing people together to solve those here in this building.